Hi, my name is Jared Teeger. I'm originally from Los Angeles, California, and so I wanted to leave California and try a new experience. And so I wanted to do industrial design at Georgia Tech to experience a new city and new environment. And last semester, one of our design projects was to design a piece of furniture that was ergonomic. And so I created Sapili Serenade, which is a lounge chair made out of a piece of Sapili hardwood, and I applied to the SIT Furniture Design Award competition and I won with that chair. So I'm going to Switzerland to get the award and just to connect and network with other designers and architects and artists there. And really excited to explore Switzerland and see that design culture and see that culture as well.
Hi guys, I'm Renzo. I am one of the Dutch industrial design students. I was born in Amsterdam, lived there for a couple of years, and I moved to Houston, Texas, where I also lived for a couple of years, and now I'm studying in the city of Eindhoven, industrial design. I actually decided to come to Georgia Tech for an exchange because I was really missing the American culture, and I had the opportunity to come to Georgia Tech and I took it, and I'm very glad that I did.
My name is Mees van der Burgt. I'm also a Dutch industrial design student. I'm from Delft, that's where I study, and I come from Utrecht originally, and I decided to go on an exchange to Georgia because I really miss the United States as well. I used to go here for holidays twice, so I wanted to see the place again and immerse myself a little more into the culture here.
I'm Olaf Komperman. I also grew up in California, but in the Bay Area, so a little north from Jared. But my parents are Dutch, so I'm also Dutch. And I chose to come to Georgia Tech because I thought it was a really great program. I knew I wanted to do industrial design. I've always been a drawer and a maker.
The thing I noticed most here as compared to my home university is that the classes here are more focused on actual industry, hard skills, practical skills, where back home it's very conceptual, very abstract. They want you to think in a certain way. Here it's like, this is what you need to do to become a successful designer in an industry. It's like a very straightforward, beating around the bush, which is very different, but I like it.
Yeah, there are so many aspects to design, and I think that all schools teach slightly differently. So I know that my university back home in Delft is maybe a little more to the societal side of things. If you have the spectrum to like industry, business, and then government/societal. It's funny how we got taught this one studio project in the last semester, and we had to design for societal change. And those are the kinds of things that you may not get taught in certain schools, maybe here. And then some business aspects are definitely not taught back home in Delft.
Last year I went on exchange to TU Delft, actually, where May studies. I have two things maybe that, like, compared to the time in Delft, I found like here you have so many more opportunities to like make things and really get a hand in producing things yourself.
We are an institute with lots of technology opportunities, and we have lots of research opportunities. I think one of the ones I'm most inspired by is the biomimicry class that is open to seniors. And so working with not only just designers, but biology and CS and business majors. So you're able to connect with so many different people with different backgrounds. And also just the tools we have available to us, I think we don't highlight it enough, is like the access to 3D printers, laser cutters. We have a whole machine shop. And like some schools may not have that, but like it's really nice to like building the models, being able to have those tools available to us is really, really key. Like you guys
prototype. We were just welding.
Yeah.
We just came here from the design shop.
Yeah.
I can definitely say that we have such personal and awesome relationships with professors. That's one thing that immediately stands out. So you can just go up to them, ask questions, personal
We're
questions.
on a first name basis.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah,
It's
exactly.
really nice.
Yeah, you can just ask them about anything. If you're stuck with something about career related, problem related, assignment related, anything, just go up to them. They'll make some time.
I think what got me into industrial design was like kind of what Olaf said in the beginning was a combination of design and building and being creative.
I have always been making stuff. I started woodworking at a very young age. Before that, I was playing with Legos like you, of course. I think we all have. And then metalworking, and I was like, is there any way I can take this desire for creativity into my actual career?
When I entered design, it just felt like this perfect fit for me, because it's a combination of people aspects, technical aspects, and then organizational aspects. I mean, at least that's how we in Delft look at it.
As an industrial designer, you get to like put your impact on the world quicker, and there's just like a faster turnaround rate. I think that's a great way to combine the artistic and the creative and the technical and analytical.